Right, this is Promotion Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 5. Brother, how's it?
I'm not good.
Yeah.
I would like to say thank you for you guys for bringing us this thing. So, the way I view this thing, we are taking out our emotions. Because we can't. One thing
You can't be beating coaches and what
can't be throwing things on the field.
Exactly.
So, thank you for this platform.
No,
Yeah,
Thank
be
you for the
honest,
platform.
tell them
It's my
Chiefs
pleasure,
lost.
brother. It's my pleasure.
So,
5-0,
one thing
5-1,
I
I
want
mean.
to point out, Kaizer Chiefs every time they win. Why is it that
With my brother.
Why is it that every time Chiefs win, but when you lose, they don't want to come and show their support.
Exactly.
Number one, they undermine
Refresh
us.
the mind.
Number two, I want to speak about decision making of the players. Sundowns is a team with quality that is not found anywhere in South Africa. Its quality is above South Africa level.
Yeah.
So me, if I was a coach, what was I going to do? I was not going to press Sundowns the way he pressed it. Why? Sundowns is going to crack you 1-2 and they out.
Big time.
So Sundowns, the way I would have done, I would have set traps for Sundowns. You can't press Sundowns. Sundowns, you press it on the side. You don't press it, you trap it.
Yeah.
You set traps for Sundowns. I want to press at Sundowns, you press. Look what they did to us. Very kitty. There's nothing with it. Another thing, I'm a Kosi. I love Chiefs. Ke support Chiefs. Personally, DSTV, right? It's Gishabile boxing.
man, yeah.
It's black and white. It's not area.
Yeah.
So, what I can say now, Wabana Kaizer Chiefs in Steady Chiefs. Covering Steady Chiefs, so people they don't see what we are trying to do. But the Chiefs, it's cartel winner.
Yeah.
Re kgathetse